Good afternoon. Welcome to the Hodges home vlogs. Say hi, baby Faye. Say hi, baby Faye. Is that you? Oh, still getting used to this whole camera thing. Yeah. Anyway, so today we're just need to do a few things. I have to work, get some laundry done. Taylor's at work. He'll be home for lunch soon, so we'll have him on pretty soon. You ready to go? You ready to go help Mama? Are you ready to go help Mama? Yeah, ready to go help Mama? And she sees the camera and stops smiling. That will be fun. Okay, let's go. Ugh. Look how cute she is today. Look how cute. And then you can only see a little bit. Here, let me try to move the camera. Oh my goodness. Oh my freaking goodness. Hi, baby. Do you see yourself? Dance, baby, dance. Dance, baby, dance. Anyway, shall we go? Let's go. Let's go get some stuff done. Ready? Get ready. And go! Okay, let's go.
Here. Tied it here. That going. Sorry, B. Good thing I have keys. You know, I actually kind of like this down here. Gives it a different feel to where I work. Oh. Apparently this is what I get for scaring my coworkers. A bunch of yarn, a bunch of plastic. Fun, but worth it.
Home.
That's me.
Making dinner.
Shrimp Alfredo.
The best stuff in the world. And look who it is. It's baby Faye. Yeah. Ooh. A lot's going on. So yeah, it's been a day.
Need to buy a new fridge. Getting ready for a bathroom remodel. Actually, not a remodel. New bathroom.
And bathroom renovation. I'd say is a remodel.
Yeah.
It's like a
It's
little
not
bowl.
even there.
I know. Part of the bathroom is though. We got the
We have the, like, not
Got
even
the-
the skeleton. We have the guts of it.
we got the
We don't even
toilet.
have the skeleton or the skin ready.
We got the toilet. And we got the sink. So we have part of it. Part of the bathroom.
What you doing over there?
She stops as
Stops as I ask her a question.
Oh, with the meadows. Your blanket. So, one of the things we have to do tonight is run over and grab a fridge.
Yay!
Yay for new fridges. I'm excited because then we get an ice maker.
I'm not excited about the price.
Me either, but I'm excited for what the purpose is.
Ice.
Yep. Ice, baby.
Wish you could have seen my eye roll.
Oh, goodness sakes above. No, I don't want to
that way.
move.
Not this way, not towards the counter.
I don't want to move. What if I don't want to move?
Well, then you're not going to be able to eat.
Boy,
Don't worry me.
I just did.
I know it's today.
What's today?
Oi!
Oh.
Yeesh. Claim to know Spanish, but don't know Spanish.
As I said, yeesh.
My name's Sandra and I got black and glowy hair and hair. I claim to know Spanish.
Oh, our vlogs are gonna be so weird. But that's just us. Welcome to it. When it rains, it pours.
And no one knows how to drive. See, that person didn't even have their headlights on.
So
I'm usually not this bad of a critic, but today's a special day.
it's careful.
I'm careful. But you wouldn't have made it on your first date.
True. It wasn't raining on our first date though.
Yeah, but there is a lot of interesting drivers out.
Yeah, good point.
Granted, I had no idea where I was going.
But we made it, didn't we?
Yeah. At the base of everything. The base of the base. Not even to the base of the trail. It's like the base of the beginning of the base of the trail. If that makes sense.
Yeah. But we're off to go get our new look at fridges.
It's different when it's going to the pocket. Because then it's, woo, money!
And when it's going out of the pocket,
I'm not risking the biscuit.
oh, please don't. So this is us in the car normally. Especially in crappy weather like this.
I mean, you freaking out at every turn?
Yeah. Hey, I didn't freak out. Did I?
I think about
Oh my gravy. Sorry for the shakiness. Ooh.
Anna's
aprendiendo. Estoy aprendiendo.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Yes, we're bilingual too.
Till next time.
Okay, we'll talk to you in a little bit. We just do.
Spent a lot of money.
We did not.